And today you're going to see the other part of the kitchen set. I had a fridge. If you've seen the fridge one, I got this from eBay too. So yeah, it's another Christmas present. Christmas, yay! At the end of this video, you will see a little fun wind-up toys. Ooh. Let me show you a few of the things. This is a microwave. Yeah. Let me show you what's in there. Let me take it out. There's a little turkey. It's a little cooked turkey. In my other video, there was a purple turkey that was frozen. This is a little tray that I put the turkey on. It's Thanksgiving themed, and it's Christmas. Well, today's not really Christmas though. It's Saturday. This is a toaster oven. This is just some storage. So yeah. And here, I like this little detail right here. They have some roses, sparkly, just plain pink. And here are the little knobs. They do not move. Here's an oven. Let me show you what's in there. There's a little purple muffin tin. Yeah. It actually has muffin holes. See? I always thought this was an egg thing. Silly me. I'm going to put it back in. And yeah. Show you a close-up of it. Yeah. Let me take out these drawers. It opened already. That's my sister. She's watching me make the video. She's going to make a video after me. I'm going to scoot that. They have two drawers. See? Two drawers. They're both pink. And it comes with a lot of cups and plates. This is a little teacup. See? Yeah. This is a little coffee pour thingy. This is just one of mine, and it doesn't come with this. I just wanted it to be in there. It's just a pink cup. There's two little wine glasses. This wine. Do not drink wine. I don't even know how wine tastes. Probably gross. Why do people even drink wine? Here's another wine glass. I like this wine glass. Here's a little cup, a fancy cup. And those ones are see-through. So. Here's a little yellow teacup. I had to look at my sister for a minute. Here's its own little teapot. Yep. Scratch. And here's another one of those. She stacked some of my shotguns. Did you have to show that? And here's another one of those. This is a different shape a little bit. And it's the same cup, except for a different shape, you know? It's a different shape. Here's another wine glass. Another wine glass. So, yeah. And here's, I like these little cups. They're my favorite cup. They're little cups. See? These kind. I know, but don't show it in the video, please. I'm trying to show the kitchen set. And this is another wine glass. Yes. And that was a cup, actually. This is a wine glass. Yep.
That's funny.
Stop it. Here's a little sugar cube holder thing. A little container or something. I don't know. Here is another one of those yellow cups. It's a big one. Here's another tray. See? Yep. This is a tray. And another one of my favorite cups. And another fancy cup. And here's another yellow cup. I'll just dump it all out. This is a little cream pourer. This is another wine glass. Here's another one of those different shaped coffee mugs. They're coffee mugs, actually. I just found that out because I looked at it closely and oh yeah, that's a coffee mug. Here's another one of my favorite cups. And another one of my favorite cups. Here's a little purple spoon. I'll set that on the tray. And here's another one of those yellow cups. There's 4 yellow cups, 1 spoon, 1 tray, 4 fancy cups, 4 wine glasses, 2 coffee mugs, 4 my favorite cups, 1 cream pourer, and 1 sugar dish. So yeah, that was all the cups. Let me just put them back in. Pink one. Pink cup. Yeah.
What's in there?
Oops. Sorry. Yeah, I'm letting my sister look at those cups. Oh, my neck. My neck is tired. This is a pink plate for probably a pie or something. Oh man, there's a pie. That did not come with the kitchen. This is a little pan, you know. This is 1 yellow plate. Here's a pot. And here's a pink plate, a yellow plate, a lid for one of the pots, and here is a pan with a lid. I know pans do not really have lids, I don't know. Here's a little kettle or something. I think this is part of a pie. Yeah, this is part of a pie. Yeah. I'm tired. This is another one of those pots. This is another one of those pans. Yeah. A little yellow plate. Another little yellow plate. And another little yellow plate. And a little lid. A little one. For one of the little pots. Here's another little lid. Here's another yellow plate. Another yellow plate. Another yellow plate. And these are kind of like flowers. My mom had these same plates too. See, they're kind of like flowers, you know? And those are 2 yellow plates. And another little yellow plate. And there is a flipper. Flip like eggs or something. And another flipper. Yeah. Oh, I have to put things in nicely, do I? I guess I do. Don't want to, but I have to. I'm gonna get it. No. Come on. There we go. Gotta put things in nicely, or it won't fit. And put in the last little yellow plates. That's almost all the silverware, but there's more. See this little container? The little container with some silverware. There's forks, knives, spoons, and a little, wait, no. Forks, knives, spoons, and a flipper. Now, let me show you the cool things. And then my sister will have to sit in this chair and show you little funny stuff while I get the pie. This is a ice thing. You put a little drink and you pretend there's ice in there. So yeah. This is a wind-up microwave. Let me open it up. It opens up. Yes, there's 2 microwaves. This is off, I think, and this is on. And you wind it up. I know this is not what you do. Put a cup in the microwave. That is not what you do. Watch carefully. I'm going to wind it up. Hey, are you working? Sometimes when the wind-up toys don't work, you need to, oh, come on. You're not working? You were working when the cup was not in there. Oh, you're mean.
Hey, try a plate, kiddo.
Try a plate? Okay. Mom said try a plate. Oh, yeah, that does work better. Watch. I'm going to wind it up. Ah! Let me put it on the plate. Flap it. Are you going to work for the camera? Are you shy? Are you shy? Sing! See? Oh my. It's not going to work right now. But it makes something spin. So it's really cool. Let me show you this cool toaster. You do it on the side and then you do it the side and whoop, the toast is up. But there's even more. See this on and off? Right now it's off. So you turn it on and look at that. It's up and down. Let me do it again. Let me wind it up. See that? It's cool. If you buy this fridge, you will not be able to get these cool things. Maybe, only maybe you may. I don't know. Okay, here's a mixer. You take it off. It can be off. And there, I'm going to wind it up. All of these are wind up toys. So it's wind it up, turn it on, and look at that. Sometimes you need to clang it so it'll work, you know? Sometimes you need to move its bristles or something. I call it bristles. You can turn it off and put it back on the stand. And slip in the bowl. And there's your mixer. Let me show you this popcorn maker. Here's the bowl. You did not break it. You did not break it.
Who did not break it?
If this is off, you did not break it. It can go off and on. See there's little popcorn or something in there? There's an on and off. Right now it's off. Yeah. Here's a little bowl. And let's see the popcorn pop. I don't need to show you the bowl, do I? So you've seen the popcorn pop. These wind-up toys are really cool. This is my favorite wind-up toy. It's very fun for you to play with. It turned on. How's that thing on? I thought. Now watch carefully. See this thing? You go back. It's a coffee maker. Let me turn it on. Can you get that? Get what? The coffee thing. Coffee pot. I can't leave my camera. I cannot leave my camera. I will stay with it forever. Good. Yep. That. Yep. That. Yep. That. Now, you place it on there. Watch it make coffee. See, it's going up and down when you move it to make it be like that. See? It's really cool. If you've seen this, if you're watching this video right now, you are, and you want this for your birthday, Christmas, any occasion, special occasion, make your mom or dad or whoever lives with you watch this video and tell them that it's on eBay. Tell them to watch the whole video.
It's not like a store. It's like only sometimes people have these things available.
Oh, and if you don't see them online, it's not there. But
That's what happens to old things. You can sometimes find them, but sometimes not.
sometimes you can find them, but sometimes not. So
But they're old things. They're called vintage.
this is a vintage playset. I heard of that word before.
Yeah.
Well, my sister's gonna show some Shopkins or do some silly stuff while I go and get a pie to show ya. Go! Hi!
What are you showing in?
Little Shopkin.
Okay.
Yay! Somebody spilled my milk. Okay. I'm back. This is one of the pies. Ah! The pies are out. I think it only comes with one pie dish. I'm not sure because I think it only comes with one pie dish. Look at that texture. can get a close-up of myself, I guess.